In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with WordPress. Quick tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have WordPress talking to your favorite apps so tasks happen automatically in the background. You'll need admin access to your WordPress site and a Zapier account. Start in your WordPress admin dashboard, head to the plugins menu and choose Add New. In the search bar, type Zapier for WordPress. You're looking for the official plugin that lets Zapier securely connect to your site. Click Install Now, then Activate. If your site uses caching or security plugins, that's fine. Just remember, they can sometimes block connections, so be ready to whitelist Zapier if needed. Next, switch to Zapier. From the sidebar, open My Apps. Click the Add Connection button and search for WordPress. A window will ask for your site's base URL along with a username and password with adequate permissions to create or read content, depending on what you plan to automate. Enter your details and continue. When prompted, confirm by selecting Yes, continue to WordPress. Zapier will test the connection, and once it succeeds, your site shows up as a connected app. If it fails, double-check the URL format, your login, and whether your site is publicly accessible. With the connection set, create a Zap. For the trigger, choose WordPress. Pick the event that starts your automation, like new post or new comment. Select your connected WordPress account, then customize the trigger options, such as post type or status. Run a test to pull in sample data from your site. The sample helps you map fields later and confirms Zapier can see what it needs. Now add your action. Search for and select the second app you want to update, for example, a spreadsheet tool or a chat platform. Choose the action event, such as create spreadsheet row or send channel message. Connect that app's account if you haven't already, then map the fields from your WordPress trigger to the action fields. Use the sample data to ensure titles, links, authors, and timestamps land in the right places. Run a full test of the Zap. If everything looks good, turn it on. Give the Zap a clear name so you can recognize it later, and consider testing a real post or comment to confirm end-to-end behavior. You can always revisit the Zap to tweak filters, field mappings, or event types as your workflow evolves. That's it. Your WordPress site is now integrated with Zapier and ready to automate the busy work so you can focus on creating.